Hello, good morning Bangkok. This is Professor Eko from Indonesia. I apologize that I couldn't attend the ICSIT in Bangkok today because I have an emergency from the government of Indonesia to handle the Indonesian internet security. But anyway, I'm so happy that I am having the opportunity to share 5 to 10 minutes with you about what happening in the last 3 years in the Southeast Asia. One of the terminology that are mostly used by the organization, especially for the professional corporation, is digital transformation. Many companies all over the world are trying to do the transformation due to the development of information system and technology. Many people ask me what is the difference between change management and digital transformation. Actually, transformation is the irreversible change or one-way change to the futures because the enterprise are trying to adapt with the changes of the environment. And that's a fact that not all corporation or enterprise and the digital transformation successfully. Most of them are struggling with the transformation and some of them are failures. The problem is what is the key success factors that enable you to make your journey of transformation succeed. According to my study, the most important thing that everybody should have during the transformation is the right digital mindset. Digital mindset is not simply a digitalization or computerization or even automation. Digital mindset is far beyond those terminology. I'll give you an example. If you open your wallet, how many cards will you see in your wallet? In my wallet, if I count it, I have more than 14 cards. From my ID card, and then my driving license, my credit cards, my ATM cards, my debit card, my discount card, my gym card, and everything will be increased from day to day. That is the cause because every organization is trying to do the digitalization. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Ministry of Defense, for example, the Ministry of Trade, and then my gym company, and then maybe the police, and maybe my school, my university, they produce their own card because they are doing the digitalization. But as an IT person, IT professional, you know that we don't need that much card actually. If we are using a digital mindset, what we need is only one card. Or maybe we don't even need a card because what we need is just a handphone with one application that can store all of the information of our cards in the wallet. It means if we are using a digital mindset, we don't have to spend so much effort to buy cards, to do our own codification, or to do many kind of things. Why? Because you are looking from the eyes of the customers. The customer journey is very important in digital transformation. As a citizen, I don't want to have to be involved of having so many cards in my wallet. It makes my wallet become thick. What I want to do is the simplest thing to do my everyday activities. That is just one of the examples. Another example is the corporation that have a redundant system of attendance. One employee, if they come to the enterprise, they have to put their finger, or maybe they have to put their signature as a part of the attendance. You know, if we are using a digital mindset, actually you don't need those fingerprints, because when you are entering the perimeter of the company, there are a CCTV on the top of the ceiling who can look into your faces. So it means if you are using a face recognition software, at the same time you can identify a person entering the building. It means I don't need a fingerprint, I don't need a signature or any type of attendance. Jakarta, for example, maybe like Bangkok or other big cities, always struggling with the problem of traffic. The government of the city, the governor, the mayor, having a headache every year because the increase of the cars and the motorcycles. Digital mindset can solve this problem, not by building new roads or new bridges, but simply because we can use our mindset to make the traffic become lower or decreasing the traffic. For example, most of the cities who have many buildings, most of the employees working in those buildings is actually a back office professionals. Maybe in Jakarta, 70% of the people working on the main area of the downtown are doing back office activities. And as an IT professional, we know that most of the back office activity can be conducted from anywhere, any place, and anyhow. Why don't we create a new rules of the office? You can only go to your office, for example, every Monday and Thursday. While Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, you are not allowed physically to come to the office, but you have to work from your device, from your laptop, from your notebook, or even from your handphones. It means you don't have to go to the office physically. I believe if we have this kind of rules, many people are more happy. They must be happier because they can work anywhere they like, but don't sacrifice the effectiveness and the efficiency of their professional work. Those can be done if we are using our digital mindset. What is actually digital mindset? Digital mindset is the way of thinking where we put a baseline of the characteristic of the digital that we know in order to design or to make a decision about something. One of the advantages of digital is because you are not trapped with the physical entities or physical distance. The space and the time can be eliminated by using digital things. The paper, the video, the audio, or any activities that involve paper, that involve video, involves audio, or involve interaction that can be replaced by the digital interaction can be alternate by using a digital process or digital entities. If you can translate it, if you can convert it, your process, your people, your technology into a digital process, it means you can easily change it, replace it, enhance it, manipulate it, and of course, you can easily distribute it, all of those things, with the cost of almost zero. It means when you design something, you want to decide something, or you want to innovate something, you have to think digitally first before you do something. Because in some examples that I'm giving you, the digitalization or automatization or computerization, it doesn't solve the problem significantly. It just make your process a little bit more efficient, but the system costs are still the same or even increase. So, my fellow friends, digital mindset is the key of any succeed of the digital transformation. Have a great conference, and if you stop by in Indonesia, don't forget to visit me. Indonesian number of the handphone is +62. My number is 818-925-926. Thank you for my colleague, Mr. Jack Fabian, for the opportunity to greet my fellow friends from Bangkok and from all over the world. Greeting from Indonesia, good morning, and thank you.